Hello everyone and welcome back to the Distinct Mastering YouTube channel. My name is Freddie. Today I'm going to be talking about a very cool iPhone app that I found and just started using a couple months back. It's called TapeIt, and for me it's replaced my voice notes. If you're one of those people that sketches ideas sometimes, if you're on the go and you want to hum something, or sometimes I'm playing piano and I don't want to go through the DAW and I just want to record an idea real quick and save it for later, this is a game-changing app. Let's get into this video and check it out. Okay, before I get into showing you what it does on the phone, here's their website. You know, it's only available for iPhone, like I said. It can replace your Mac voice notes app. It's super cool. You can import all your voice notes, and I'm going to show you all of this. I just wanted to run down what the website looked like. As far as pricing is concerned, there's a free version, there's a monthly version, and there's a lifetime paid one-time fee, which I went ahead and did. So up to you how you want to do it. I suggest you just download the free version and give it a shot. Let's get into my phone and check out what this thing can do. Okay, so here's the app, and as you can see, what it does is it basically is a simple tape recorder. It has a record button. You can change your audio settings from stereo to lossless file format, or AAC, which is a form of compressed audio. I believe that the free version, this is the full-blown version, only does mono recording and may only do AAC. I don't remember that, but the other thing that you can see is it's as simple as just hitting record. Now, before I get into the all section, I want to show you the mixtapes. You can create mixtapes, which are basically like folders of different things. So I've done like some favorites, piano sketches. The favorites is just a simple heart. You can have vocals. So here in the menu, you have a referral link. You can learn about different things, how to import your voice memos, how to learn about the organization features, recording, listening, and sharing. You can send them an email and all the fine print. But going back, you know, it's as simple. If I want to create a new mixtape, just hit the blue new mixtape. And then if I want to look at all my mixtapes, it's super cool. You have a search button. You can change these icons. You can select them like this. You can listen to them. And from there, you can add like the heart, you can add markers, you know, you can open it up. You can say set start here if you want. You can put it back. You can add a marker, set the endpoint. You can name your markers, add notes, and you can add pictures. It's pretty cool. You could change the icon of what the instrument is. So as you're looking at all of your recordings, it's a very great way to organize and structure them. I think it's way better than the voice notes. If you run a lot of ideas and you just record a lot of little things on your phone, it's a super game-changing app. It's changed the way that I work a little bit. And as you can see, I have quite a bit of stuff in here that I've imported from my voice notes. So super cool. Check it out. I suggest you get the free version and just give it a shot. Okay, thanks for watching. If you found this useful, please do hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and the bell notification will keep you up to date. My name is Freddie from Distinct Mastering, and I help people master their music, and on this channel I teach music production. Check out some of my previous episodes. I have an interesting video that I'm going to be sharing with you next week that ties in with this. But in the meantime, check out this video. I think you'll enjoy it. Talk to you soon. Peace.